Because indeed, everybody can see it. Even 1-year-old child can see that or can be able to tell that Chelsea need a striker. A child they born today. When he come and watch this Chelsea team and see Nicola Jackson, he will say that no, you see this guy, he can't play for Chelsea. Chelsea go and sign a striker. 1-year-old baby can tell that Nicola Jackson cannot be my striker next season. 1-year-old baby can tell that Sanchez can never be my goalkeeper next season. So guys, Chelsea need a striker. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Football Lions. This is your boy Richman. In fact, guys, let's talk about these important transfers from Chelsea camp. But before we do that, guys, let's talk about these two our talented players, Estevao Williams and Andrew Santos. Estevao Williams and Andrew Santos has been called up by Brazil national team. Yes, their new boss, Carlo Ancelotti, the new boss of Brazil national team. These two talented players has been called up. That show that these two players are really talented players. That show the quality of these two players. Because looking at their age, yes, their age is already, they are getting international call up. Yes, that show that they are good. And next season, the Premier League cannot withstand the quality from these two talented players. In fact, the Premier League should be ready. Estevao is coming. The Premier League should be ready. Yes, Andrew Santos is coming to also conquer the midfield like Asado is doing this season, like Lavia is doing this season. I'm telling you guys, these our two players, even they asked Ancelotti about them, and Ancelotti said he called them because of their quality. Yes, that they are good on the ball, off the ball, everything. And for Andrew Santos, we saw it this season at League One. He went to League One, he conquered everybody. Estevao at the Brazilian League Palmeiras, he's scoring goals for fun. The only player I see scoring goals, 2 goals in 2 minutes, except Estevao Williams. Nobody, even Ronaldo and Messi, they never done that. But this young talented player set that record. So guys, these two players has been called up by Brazil national team. Their new boss, yes, Carlo Ancelotti. And let's come to the major transfer news. But before I go there, guys, please just remind you again, don't forget to hit the like button and hit the subscription button for this video to reach more Chelsea fans on the YouTube algorithm. Let's come to the most interesting transfer news from Chelsea camp. In fact, guys, as we all knew that we want a goalkeeper. Sanchez cannot be our goalkeeper next season. No. And luckily, Chelsea will qualify for Champions League. This season, Champions League, we saw it. What happened? Goalkeepers are saving their teams. And can this our Sanchez, my Robert Sanchez, your Robert Sanchez, our Robert Sanchez, the Robert Sanchez, every Chelsea fan cherish and love, can he do it next season in the Champions League? Big no. Capital letters N-O. No, he can't do it. So for that matter, Chelsea want a goalkeeper. So Chelsea show love or Chelsea show interest on AC Milan goalkeeper, Maignan. Maignan, who is 29 years of age, France international. I think he is France, yes, international team goalkeeper. Maignan. Chelsea show interest in this goalkeeper. He is 29 years of age, as I said. And guys, Maignan, I can still remember, I think last 2 Sabbath, yes, the year Manchester United signed Onana. Chelsea, if you can remember, at that time, Chelsea also interested or show interest on signing Onana. And at that time, Chelsea wanted to sign Maignan also. But that deal didn't happen, or that transfer didn't go through. So Chelsea is back. Chelsea is now looking at the condition of his transfer, his market value, his wages, yes, those things. If he had a release clause, Chelsea is looking at the condition of his transfer. Chelsea interested to sign Maignan. But my fear here is that, guys, we still have one goalkeeper we trust, who is Petrovic. And luckily, this season, he won Player of the Season for Strasbourg upon his marvelous, fantastic performance. That showed that Petrovic is good. And next season, he will be joining Chelsea. Next season, he will be joining Chelsea. And we want him to take over from Sanchez. So, guys, that is my issue here, or my fear here. Yes, Chelsea going in for Maignan and Petrovic coming back. That is the problem here. Big who should start? Who should be our number 1 goalkeeper? Or Chelsea should stop signing Maignan and bring Petrovic, or Chelsea should let Petrovic go back on loan and sign Maignan. Guys, that is my issue because these two goalkeepers, I won't lie, they are all good. Petrovic under Mauricio Pochettino, almost our first goalkeeper. He did well that season. And Maignan also, he is proving that at AC Milan and even France national team. He is good. These two goalkeepers are good. But guys, I am confused. Convince me. Who should be our goalkeeper? Or who should Chelsea go in for? Petrovic or Maignan? Guys, that is the information or the new goalkeeper Chelsea interested to sign. Yes, AC Milan goalkeeper. Yes, France international Maignan, who is 29 years of age. So let me hear from you under the comment section about this goalkeeping situation in Chelsea. And the next transfer, guys, in fact, Liam Delap, Chelsea target, talked to 4 clubs. Yes, he talked to Manchester United, he talked to Chelsea, he talked to Newcastle, and he talked to Everton. These 4 clubs. And the information said that he is going to make a decision before this month ends. Yes, in the coming weeks, he's going to make his final decision. Whether he will join Chelsea, whether he will join Manchester United, Newcastle, or Everton. Because, as I said, all these 4 teams interested and they all talked to him. He had a release clause of 30 million. Liam Delap. Yes. So, guys, let me hear from you under the comment section. Because, see, to be honest, you see Eketeke, Liam Delap. Let me say they are currently as we are speaking now, this our honest. When you look at the project, they fit into it or they are the closest signing. This our honest can go for because of the wages as we all knew it. For Liam Delap, he can fit into our wage cap. I'm telling you, if Chelsea give him, let me say, £80,000 a week, he's going to take it with his 2 hands. And also Eketeke, another young player, yes, from Germany. He's going to fit well into our wage cap. So these 2 strikers, I see them being closer, coming to Chelsea more than Osimhen and Victor Gyökeres and Sesko and co because we are coming to them. Yes. So guys, Liam Delap talked to 4 clubs and he's going to make his final decision whether he will join Chelsea, Manchester United, Everton, and Newcastle. Do Chelsea need Liam Delap? Should Liam Delap at the end of the day choose Chelsea? Because we don't want to hear Liam Delap reject Chelsea again. Yes, another player reject Chelsea again. Guys, let me hear from you under the comment section about Chelsea signing Liam Delap. And let's come to Victor Osimhen, Victor Gyökeres, and Benjamin Sesko. Guys, in fact, information from Chelsea camp, from trusted journalist Simon Phillips, he said that, guys, Chelsea want to sign 2 strikers. Chelsea want to sign 2 strikers before the Club World Cup starts. Chelsea want a striker. For that matter, Chelsea interested in Eketeke and they are selling him 80 to 100 million. Frankfurt said unless that fee. And Chelsea also interested in Liam Delap, 30 million release clause. Chelsea is contemplating on going back to Osimhen deal. If you can remember, last season we stopped at a certain point. Even Obi Mikel said that Chelsea just need 1 phone call. Osimhen will come. Yes, so whether Chelsea is contemplating to go back to continue Osimhen deal or to go and sign Benjamin Sesko. Delap, Eketeke, Osimhen, Benjamin Sesko. As we are speaking now, Chelsea is weighing up to sign 2 strikers who they want to sign before we start the Club World Cup. And the Club World Cup is going to start 16 June. And today's date is 26 May. 26 May, 16 June. I'm not earning salary, so that is why I don't know the date. Those watching me, those of you who are earning salary, yes, for you, for the date. Yes, guys, even this reminds me something. When we were in school, especially primary school, no, junior school, both primary and junior school, yes. Anytime that our master, yes, they came to class to teach at that time, you see them going to write the date first. So at that time we were minors. You see, that time our brain wasn't that developed. So anytime that our master came in, sometimes he will not even talk to you. He will not do he will not even he will not do it. He will just go and write the date first. The date, what and what, and then he come and start teaching or start talking to you, not knowing that they were earning salary based on the date. For me, at that time, I didn't know. I didn't know masters were earning salary regularly at the end of every month. So when I got to know that, okay, salary earners, they are earning salary 21st to 30th. or 25th to 30th or 31st. So I cast my mind back. Okay, so that is the reason why our masters was writing date first. Okay. They will come to class. They will not talk to you. I can still remember my maths master. Yes, our mathematics master. For him, he will never talk to you until he finished writing the date. So those who are earning salary, they knows the date better. But for we those the young guys, we are still grinding. Yes, after completion, we are still hustling. And inshallah, we're gonna make up. So guys, let's come back to Liam Dilab. Yes. We're talking about, you see, going to be talking about things that doesn't concern me, guys. You see, let me come. Yes, let's continue. I remember. Yes. So the FIFA Club tournament will start on 16th June. And as we are speaking now, 26th May. So guys, can Chelsea do it? As they say or said that they want to sign a striker, 2 strikers before the FIFA Club tournament start. And Justin Redcar, it will not follow him there. Yes. Even Justin will play the Conference League. Yes, final. Even my preview is coming about that Conference League final. So please watch out. Turn on the notification bell. If any video can, you be the first person to see it. And don't forget also to hit the like button for this video to reach more Chelsea fans on the YouTube algorithm. And tell another Chelsea fan about this channel. So guys, can Chelsea do it? Can Chelsea bring in the striker that we need before the FIFA Club tournament even start? Yes. Osimhen, as I said, Dilap, Sesko, Ekitike. Yes, and Ekitike, I had one video about it that they want 80 to 100 million. And Chelsea interested to sign him. As we are even speaking now, Chelsea is in talk with Frankfurt to sign Ekitike. So guys, that is the information for Chelsea signing as a striker. Because indeed, everybody can see it. Even 1-year-old child can see that or can be able to tell that Chelsea needs a striker. A child they born today. When he come and watch this Chelsea team and see Nicola Jackson, he will say that no, you see this guy, he can't play for Chelsea. Chelsea, go and sign a striker. 1-year-old baby can tell that Nicola Jackson cannot be my striker next season. 1-year-old baby can tell that Sanchez can never be my goalkeeper next season. So guys, Chelsea need a striker. And this is the latest information for Chelsea signing as a striker. Chelsea want to sign 2 strikers before the FIFA Club tournament even start. Osimhen name is still there. Sesko name is there. Ekitike name is there. And Victor Gyökeres and all Liam Delap, their names are there. Ciao. Let me hear from you under the comment section, guys. Yes, your opinion, your thought about all the transfer news. Yes, our young talented guys joining Brazil. Yes, national team call up. And Maignan signing Petrovic coming, and Chelsea to sign a striker, Liam Delap, yes, Victor Gyökeres, Sesko, and all the strikers, Victor Osimhen, guys. So guys, let me hear from you under the comment section. And as I said, yes, another video is coming about our final. The preview is coming, and more videos are coming on this channel, guys. Yes, we are doing reviews, previews, podcasts with my Chelsea brother. So please stay on this channel, turn on the notification bell, hit the like button, hit the subscription button. Take care, peace.